Google Keyboard is one of the most underrated keyboard app which most people don't use. But in this video, I'm going to show you 5 cool features of GBOARD that makes it stand out. What if I say by just typing ADDR, your whole address comes into your keyboard? Sounds cool, right? There are multiple scenarios in which you need to repeatedly type your email or address or whatever, right? But these situations will make us annoyed because you need to type it again and again. But there is a cool shortcut method on GBOARD through which you can type your whole address by using a small word. Just go to the settings on GBOARD and click on dictionary. After that, click on the personal dictionary and choose whatever dictionary that you've downloaded. I've got only one, so I'm selecting that. Tap on the plus icon and there you can type your whole address or your email ID or whatever you want to invoke by using a shortcut. After doing that, below there's another dialog box wherein which you have to type this shortcut. For example, if you need to enter your address, you just put ADDR, there in which your address fully comes in. Now after doing that, boom! It's now done. Whenever you need to type your address or email ID or whatever the long sentence that you are repeatedly typing, just put the shortcut and it'll automatically show you a recommendation of the particular long sentence that you have saved on your dictionary. Let's say you want to copy this, and this. And when you try to paste, you will only get the content that you have copied the last. That's pretty common and you guys all know. But what if I say that you can retrieve all the copied content before the last one? Sounds cool, right? It's pretty simple with an option called as clipboard in GBOARD. You need to open the keyboard and click on the 3-dot menu. After that, click on clipboard and enable clipboard. Now what it does is to actually enable a clipboard wherein which it will save all the copied contents that you are copying again and again. And if you have missed any copied content, that will be saved on your clipboard, which is there in this 3-dot menu option, which is very useful and awesome because clipboard is usually there on Windows, but it's now there on GBOARD. You can use it. Let's say your screen is too big and you don't feel comfortable typing with just one hand. And there are some situations where in which we need to type only by using one hand. There is a method to it. Just open the keyboard and click on the 3-dot option. And then you'll find something called as one-handed, in which the keyboard will automatically slide to one side of the screen, where in which you can use just your one hand to type in the keyboard, which is great. And this feature is especially very useful whenever there are situations that you can use your two hands and only use your one hand to type. For example, while we are eating, we won't be able to use our two hands to type. So at that time, we can use this one-handed mode to type using just our one hand. The reason why many people install other keyboard application is because of the customizations it offers. But who said GBOARD doesn't have customization? It's pretty simple. Open the keyboard, click on settings and tap on themes, in which you can find many themes that you can choose for your keyboard. My personal favorite is dynamic color, which actually changes according to the wallpaper that you have set. Apart from that, you can also set solid colors, gradient colors, and even pictures as the background of your keyboard, which is cool, which is loved by many people, right? Try this out and I'm sure you guys will like GBOARD and stop installing other idiotic keyboard applications which have a lot of keyboard trackers and loggers. Navigating through long paragraphs using just a small keyboard of a smartphone is very difficult. But what if I say that you can enable cursor using GBOARD, which is cool, right? So there are some situations where in which you have to navigate through long paragraphs to correct, for example, mistakes. And you can use the space bar of GBOARD and tap and hold it and just slide left to right or right to left. It will move or act like a cursor, which is absolutely great, right? You can use this feature to navigate between long text to correct mistakes, which is cool. So there you have it. These are the 5 cool features that make the GBOARD keyboard stand out. GBOARD keyboard stand out. If you guys end up watching my content, a like to this video would be absolutely great. And hey, don't forget to press the subscribe button because most of you who see the video doesn't subscribe. So please guys, it's easy. Just click the red color subscribe button. There you go. It's done. And also press the bell icon to get notified for the future content that I upload in this channel. So this is your boy Arnav signing off. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.